Hello everyone. So before we get into two examples of the conditional statements, let me just revise the basics of the conditional statements. As we have learned, every decision symbol that we convert into C program as a conditional statements or decision control statements. So there are 5 ways that we can convert a decision symbol into equivalent C program. First, you have seen if else, using if else structure writing C program. Second is if. Third is nested if else, writing if else statement inside an if else statement, that is nested if else. The next, else if statements, another way of writing nested if. And the last is switch case. I hope if else, if, nested if, else if is done. Now we will look into switch cases, how to convert a decision symbol which is given according to the program can be converted to switch case. Now if I give a brief intro, this if else and if will be used when there are two choices. Your decision is based on two choices, then you can go for this. And more than two choices, then you can go for nested if or else if. More than 2, 3, 4 choices. Out of those choices, you are selecting one option. Switch case also same. When there are more choices that you have to take one decision out of those choices, we use switch cases. Okay, and let us see how this switch case looks like. Okay, and we are going to solve two problems today. We are going to solve two problems. Just let me, yes. We are going to solve two problems here. Yes. So we are going to solve this problem. As you have solved, it is a building arithmetic calculator. Okay, I'll tell you in detail what is that. Second is writing a code for a vending machine by using switch case. Okay, before I solve this ninth question, we'll start with ninth question first. Before I start, let us take one simple example how we can write a switch case. Okay, so I just created one sample question for you. So here is a question. If user gives a number 1 input, we should print apple. If user gives 2, we should print banana. If user gives 3, we should print orange. That is a small question. Okay, here there are more than 2 choices, so we should go for else if statement or switch cases. As you know how to write else if structure, so this is the program for else if. I read a value which is stored in A. If that A equal to 1, then immediate this print will execute, that is apple. If this condition false, it will match with A equal to. If this is true, banana will print. If A is equal to 3, orange will print. First we will see how this question, a simple question, is solved using else if. Okay, else if. And the same question I'll do it in a switch case with the introduction of the switch syntax. Okay, if you want to see the output, and let us save this. Let me keep it in one side and let me open this also GCC. The file name is what? Switch simple else if. Sorry, switch simple else if. Right, it worked. Hopefully no errors. There is some error. We'll solve this. Instead of printf, I am writing print here. Okay, in line number 20. Line number 20, I'm writing print instead of printf. There is no semicolon also here, right? Semicolon also. Any other errors? No. Okay, we'll go back. GCC switch simple else if. Sorry, it is not saved. Okay, let me save again. I saved it now. Clear the screen. GCC switch simple else if. Hopefully no errors now. Yes, got it. Now we'll run this ./a.out. Now it is waiting for my input here, means this 12th line is executing. So I'm giving some value. Let us give 3. What is expected answer? Orange. Perfect. Okay, if I run once again and give an input 1, it will give apple. Got it. If I run once again and then give, if I run once again and give apart from 1 2 3, apart from 1 2 3, I'll give 4. So this should execute. So let me give input 4, other number. Got it. So hope you understood now what is this problem. If the user gives 1, this. If user gives 2, banana. User gives 3, orange. Now same we'll try to convert with a switch statement. How to write in a switch case. Okay, so if you want to keep it in a side by side, so I can give that to you. We will do like this, right? So I'll keep this in one side, and same program will write in a switch cases. Same program will write in a switch case. Okay, the same program. So as I read I read one value here. Get to write with switch case, we should use one keyword called switch. Okay, after writing the keyword switch, open and close the parenthesis. Within the parenthesis, within this place, we will write the variable which we want to compare. This a I am writing here. Okay, go next, open and close the curly braces. Our code we will write here now. Okay, next again inside I'll use one more keyword called case. Okay, give case space, give 1, first option, put colon, remember colon. Okay, here there is no colon, semicolon, anything. Here there is a colon. After colon, write here printf apple. That's it. After this, again use the word case, give space, write second option which is 2, and write here printf banana. Over. After this, use again case, third option which is this one. Okay, I'm writing 3 printf orange. Okay, again case 4. Hope you are understanding. So there is no case 4, right? Yeah, sorry. We have 3 options, option 1, option 2, option 3 according to the question. That's why option 1 I am writing here, 2 I am writing here, 3 I am writing here. Okay, last keyword is default. Again colon, default, colon, right here other number according to that same question. Okay, is it worked? Now once we read the value and that value is given input to this switch, if this a matches with 1, this printf will execute. Okay, if this matches with 2, this should execute. Matches with 3, this should execute. If it is not matched with anyone, this should execute. We will see what output will come from now. We'll save this, the switch simple.c. We'll open our terminal. Let me clear the screen. GCC switch simple.c. Okay, no errors. Now we will see what output it will give. Okay, enter. Now I am giving option 3. Do you see? Expected answer is orange, but after orange this other number also coming which is not expected. You understand the point what I'm trying to tell? After this orange, sorry, where is the terminal? Yeah, after this orange nothing should print, but it is printing other number also. Okay, let me run once again and see what is actually happening. Now I'll give the input 2. See, I gave input 2 here. 2 is stored in A, sorry, 2 is stored in A and 2 is given input here. So A will this match with the case 2, which is 2, it matched with 2 here. It should print only banana, but instead of printing only banana, it is printing banana, orange, other number. Remaining 3 also printing banana, orange, other number. 3 are printing. Do you understand? Now let us see once again how it is happening. Now let me give 1. Do you see what is happening? If I give A1, it should only print apple, but instead of apple, it is printing apple, banana, orange, other number. All 4 are printing. Okay, so here is a problem. So after, if 1 is matching here, rest all are executing. That is not our requirement. To solve this problem, we do using one new keyword, which is break. The new keyword name is break. Okay, let me just check it. Hope it is recording fine. Yeah, yes, good. Now we'll use a word break. This break word I'll write after this case 1, break. After the case 2 also I'll write one more break. After case 3 also I'll write break. After break, semicolon. Now what exactly happens is, when I give a value A, that A will be input here. If it matches with this first case, it will start printing until it finds the break keyword. It means, let us see now. Save this and clear the screen. GCC switch simple.c. Now there is some error. We'll solve that. First, line 24, there is an error. Line 24, yes, there is a semicolon missing here. Okay, save it. GCC switch simple, let me see, switch simple.c. spelling wrong, STWT, C is missing, sorry, spelling mistake. GCC SWITCH simple.c. hopefully right, no errors. Now we'll write. Now I'll give a input 3. Previously it is printing orange and other number. Now it will print only orange. See that? See, do you see? It's only printing orange. It is not printing other number because of the break. So let us take run once again and give 2. It's giving only banana. If I give one more time and give 1, it's only printing apple. This is our requirement. If I give 1 input, it should match with 1, it should print apple. If I give 2, it should match with case 2 and print banana. If I write 3, it should print orange and it should not print remaining. This is the syntax of the switch case. Hope you understood why I am writing the break. If I don't write the break here, a computer will execute until it finds the break. Let us say I removed break after case 1. Control C, GCC ITS switch simple.c. Okay, let me clear the screen. GCC then ./a.oat already compiled. Okay, now I am giving input 2, only banana, because case 2 is matching, it is printing banana. After case 2 there is a break, that's why it is not printing anything. Now let me run once again. Now I'll write 1. Do you see why it is printing apple and banana? Think. There is no break here. Okay, this is the syntax of the switch case. Writing switch keyword, writing case keyword, writing the matching number, which should be only constant. You cannot use a floating value. And after case you have to write break here. After case you have to write break. Don't think you can only write one statement. You can write any number of statements. You can write like this: thank you. So if the case 1 matches, it will execute apple, it will execute thank you, and it found the break, it will stop here. It found the break, it will stop here. After this thank you, if you want to write something other than this, you want to write something hello, this will also execute. Let us see how it works. GCC switch with simple dot c. Okay, no errors. I'll give a input 1. If I give 1, it will execute apple, thank you, hello, and it breaks. Sorry, yes, right. I'll give input 1. Do you see? Apple, thank you, hello. So that is the meaning of that. You can write any number of statements until it finds the break. This structure will execute. Once again, I'm repeating, it matches with this constant. If it matches, it will go to this particular case and execute all these instructions until it finds the break keyword. Hope it is clear. Now let us jump into real problem, what we are looking to solve. This is the problem we will solve now. Okay, this problem we have solved already with the else if statements. The problem is this: if the user give code 106, the vending machine should display Haldiram. If the user give 206, it should print Haldiram instant bill. User gives this, it should print this. 506, it should print lassi. If the user give any wrong input, if the code is entered wrong, money should be lost. First we will solve this 9th question. Okay, hope you solved this question already with the else if statements. Okay, I'm not explaining the question. Now how else if question will solve this problem? How else if question will solve this problem? We will open that question first. Okay, so that you'll understand. Let me open it, just give me a minute. This has only one question. Yeah, I think I should open here. Vending machine with else if. Okay, hope this is clear. I'm not reading the value here, directly I'm entering vending machine code. V code means vending machine code. If the code is 106, it matches with 106 and prints Haldiram save. If the code, if I give 206, okay, if you want to write, we'll write reading scanf. Scanf will read one integer and store that in a V code. Okay, now if the user gives here 106, it matches here and it will print this. If the user gives 206, it matches with the second condition and gives this instant bill. If the user gives other than this, it goes here and print respectively, right? If you want, we can see this output also. Let us see this output, how it works. GCC vending machine else if 2. File name is vending machine else if 2. Exactly, no errors. ./a.out. Now my cursor is blinking, means it is executing line 5. My program is waiting for some input. Now I'll give some input. What input? Let us give 306. If I give 306, chocolate should print, right? I'm giving 306. Perfect. Here we go. Got it? Now if I give, run once again and give 506, lassi should print 506. Lassi should print. Got it? And if I give any other option other than this 706, money lost, that is the question. Okay, if you want to have a look at this program flowchart, it looks like this, as you most of you know that. Yes, see this, we declare a V code, which is a vending machine item code, read the vending machine. If it matches with 106, print Haldiram save and go to end. If it is false, we'll come back here, check with 206. If it is false, 306, 406, 506. So this we implement using else if ladder. Same question, we can implement the same question by using switch case, that we will see now. It is the same as this example. I'll take only this example directly so that you will understand clearly. Let me take this direct example, which is simple switch. Okay, now instead of A, what I'm reading here, I'm reading a vending machine code. Okay, I'll keep this side else if code, new window, yes, yes. Let us see this now. Sorry, yeah, this right hand side is a else if structure. With else if I am writing the same vending machine program. With the else if I am writing the same vending machine program. Left hand side I am writing with switch case. Okay, switch case. First I have to read a V code. Okay, let us write again V code for the same, or else I can copy it to save the time. Copy this here, I can save it here. Now this V code, vending machine code, I should give an input to the switch. So I'm writing here V code, V underscore code. Okay, now what you should write in this case 1, case 2, you think about it. Simple. I'm removing this. Here the possibility of the choice of V code is 106. So instead of 1 we write here 106. 106. If the given V code is equal to 106, this case 106 is matching. So what it should print? It should print printf Haldiram Ratmali safe. Hope you understood. Now what is the second expected code which is possible in the code program or a question, which is 206? You can write here 206. If the case matches with 206, we'll write here printf Haldiram instant bill. Right? Hope it is clear. Again, third option is 306. If it matches with 306, what will print? Will print chocolate. Right? Again, put the semicolon, normal. And after 306 you can write any number of cases. So create one more case, case 406. If it matches with 406, what we should print? According to this, mixed fruit juice. Right? Mixed fruit juice. Mixed fruit juice. Semicolon. After this, what we should write? If you forget to write the break, it gives an unexpected answer. So we should remember to write break after every case. Okay, after this case I'm writing break. I have one more option here, 506. So take case 506 colon printf. What is the output for this? Lassi. If the user enter 506, I should print Lassi. Closing it. After this case also, what I should print? Break. If I forget to write break, it keep on executing as we have seen in the question. After 506, what we have? Money lost. Okay, in a default case we'll write here, if the given input is not matched with any one of the options, then it will print default, which is what? Money lost. Hope you understood. Fine. So it will try to match with any one of this code. If it matches with 106, 206, 306 or 406, if it matches with any one of those, that respective instructions will execute until it find a break. If it is not matching with any one of those instructions, it will execute default instruction, which is the money lost. So let us save this with simple. We'll run and see. GCC switch simple.c. There is some error. See, so line number 17, expected semicolon before break. Line number 17. We'll go to line number 17. This is a line number 17. Here is a semicolon missing. Right? Save it. Clear the screen. GCC switch simple.c. Okay. /a.out. No errors. Now I'll give an input 206. What is the expected answer? V code will be 206. it will match with this case. It don't match with 106. 206 is matched here, so it should print Haldiram instant bale. Perfect. Haldiram instant bale. You can try also. Once again you can run, and if it matches with 306, we'll give 306. Chocolate. This is the way we can write switch cases. Every else if statement you can convert into switch case. Every else if structures you can write into switch case. Sorry, not every. Most of the else if statements you can convert into switch case. Some cases you cannot convert. And if I repeat once again, you should only give integer value. You cannot give here 2.4 and matching the case 2.4. This will give an error. Okay, you should only give integers, no floating value. But you can give characters. Character means A, B, C, D. So that question we will see in the next question. Okay, 106. Now let us go back to the second question what we have. What is the second question is this. Hope you are able to see this. It is arithmetic calculator. Means user will give one operator and two operands, and if the operand is matched with addition, the addition will be performed. If the operator given is multiplication, multiplication will be performed. To understand it clearly, let us run it once. Let us run the output, how output looks like this. Okay, sorry, let me open this code. GCC 2_4 question 8. There is small corrections, let me just correct it. Division. This is a else if. Okay, this is a else if program for the same arithmetic calculator. If the user gives plus symbol and 2,3, this 2,3 will become addition and result will become 5. If the user give multiplication and next 2,3, this 2 and 3 will be multiplied and the result will be 6. That is a question. We will see the output so that you'll get an exact picture also. Let me save this and let me clear the screen. GCC 2_4 question 8. Still there are some errors. Let me solve these errors. Operator is undeclared, so I should declare an operator here. Operator. Save this and let me write once again. Save it, clear the screen. Hope there is no error now, if anything, and we'll correct it. 2_4 question 8. Still this, what is this asking? In line number 6 there is some error. We'll see it here. So enter an operator. This operator is a character type, so we cannot write as an integer. Hope you understood what is the problem. Okay, so this operator is plus minus that symbol. So if that is a symbol, we cannot write this operator in an integer. That is a mistake I did. Let me save it and clear the screen. GCC and 2_4 question 8. Now final errors, I think. In this else without previous if, there is a some else if problem in line number 10. We'll solve that also. Line number 10. This is perfect. Okay, so first if it matches with plus, it will do this. Let me correct it. Sorry for a lot of errors. Right, let me keep it inside. GCC 2_4 question 8. No, I did not save this. Okay, save. GCC 2_4 question 8. Errors are common while doing the program, don't worry about it. Okay, and arithmetic calculator.c. Is it saved? No, this is not the program. No. Yes, here it is. No, not here also. Here is, yes. This I should save it. I did not save properly. Let me keep it one side and close this one. Hopefully it will work now. GCC 2_4 question 8. Right. Perfect. No errors now. Now operator I'll give plus. Next I'll give two operands 3, 3, 4. What is the result? 7. If it is plus, that's why it is giving 3 plus 4, 7. Let me run this same code again and give the multiplication symbol. I'll give same numbers 3, 4. 3 into 4, sorry, 3 into 7, it will give result 21. It is looking like our calculator. That's why we call arithmetic calculator. Okay. And this is the code. If you write the same arithmetic operator in a else if. Okay. Else if structure. Else if structure. Else if structure. Here also remember there are more than one option for you to select. Either plus or minus or multiplication. You have more than two options. That is the reason we are going for else if. You cannot write with simple if else. Now we will see how to write the same program using switch case. How to write the same program using switch case. So let us keep this in a separate window and minimize it. I'll keep it this side and save this simple code. We will change it. I'll remove it. These cases. This is the general syntax of the switch statement, right? Writing some case here and writing some instructions and then break. Hope you understood. Now this is the program for the problem we are solving. A reading operator and reading two operands. To save the time, let me copy this here. Copy all the variables also. Let me copy this. Sorry. Control C and paste in this place. Hope you understood these two lines. I am reading an operator which is a character type, maybe plus, minus, into. Next I am reading two operands. Okay, two operands. I should write this code. Scanf. Yes, Control C. The first operand will be stored in a second operand will be stored in a B. If now based on what I want to search my switch case, based on this operator, right? If I give plus, it should do some operation, minus some other operation, division some other operation. So based on this operator, so let us select this. Inside this switch case I'll write operator. So operator is a character. That is what I am saying. Instead of integer, character is also allowed. This operator can be plus or minus or star or division or modulo, anything. Now if the first one matches with addition, remember you should write like this, character symbol within the double single quotes. If it matches with plus, then we should do a plus b. I'm doing a plus b, storing the result in C. If it matches with minus, do again a minus b, store the result in C. If it matches with multiplication, do a into b and store the result in C. So if this case matches with plus, it will execute these instructions until it find a break. You can write printf, you can write any valid C instruction in this place. Don't forget to write semicolon. You should write semicolon. Okay. Now if it matches with, after multiplication, if it matches with division, do a divided by b, store the result in C. And there are few more cases. What are those? If it matches with modulo, do A mod B, as you know that it gives a reminder, store it in C. And default case, you can write here the user gave a wrong input, wrong operator he gave. Okay, you can write that. So he did not give plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulo. Instead of all these four, he gave some other operator. Then that time default will execute. Hope you understand. Hope you understood this, right? Once again, I'm explaining. We are reading here required operator and operand. We are checking based on the operator. If the operator is plus, we will do this operation. The operator is division, we will do this operation. Make sure you write the break. I explained what is the purpose of the break. And let us run this. Hope there are no errors. Right. Let me save this, which is a switch simple.c. GCC switch simple.c. No errors. Now it is asking for the operator. I am entering modulo operator. Okay, and I am entering 10 comma 3. If I divide it 10 by 3, the remainder will be 1. So sorry, I am doing this, but I am not printing the result. So after doing all this operation outside the switch case, I'll just display this result, C value. C is right. You can display here also. If you want to display, you can write here also, printf C is. But if you write like this printf is only valid for this case. Again, for this case minus also I should write one more printf here. For case multiplication also I should write one more printf here to display result. Instead of this, you can write directly at the end of this switch case, so that printf will work for all these cases outside the switch case. Now I'll write here and we will see the result. Case save it, clear the screen, gcc switch simple.c. okay, /a.out. Now I'm entering the operator modulo as I told, 10 and 3. If the 10 is divided by 3, the remainder will be 1. Perfect. C is 1. So this is the question. If you want to check, you can run once again and give the multiplication symbol and give 4 into 5, 20. The result of these two programs is same. The result of doing the program with switch case, else if same, but the way we are doing is different. The syntax for switch case is different. Basically, when there are more number of options, we use switch case. When there are less number of options or choices, we'll use else case. I think with this explanation, and if you want to see the flowchart, which I forgot to show you. So this is the flowchart for our arithmetic calculator. If the operator matches with plus, do addition, come to end, display value and come to end. If it is minus, complete it, go to end. Hope this is clear. And to revise once again, these are the two questions we discussed. First, we have seen the syntax of the switch case, and we solved a question based on this vending machine by using switch case. Second, we have solved arithmetic calculator by using switch case, taking an operator and operands as an input and calculating it. Hope these two questions are clear how to solve with a switch case. And so this is final conclusion. Thanks for watching.